Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect medium-rare steak in your air fryer. First, select a steak about 1 inch thick, like a ribeye or New York strip. Let it sit out for about 30 minutes to reach room temperature. Then, pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels and season both sides generously with your favorite spices. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your air fryer is preheated, carefully place your seasoned steak into the basket. For a 1 inch thick steak, you'll cook it for approximately 7 to 9 minutes total. Be sure to flip the steak halfway through, around the 3.5 to 4.5 minute mark, to ensure even cooking and a beautiful crust. Always use a reliable meat thermometer to monitor its internal temperature. To achieve that perfect medium-rare doneness, your steak should reach an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. A key tip is to remove the steak from the air fryer when it hits about 125 degrees Fahrenheit. This accounts for carryover cooking, where the internal temperature will continue to rise by approximately 5 degrees while it rests. This prevents overcooking and keeps your steak juicy. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. After resting, slice your steak against the grain, which helps break up the muscle fibers for maximum tenderness. Now, serve it up and enjoy your perfectly air-fried medium-rare steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.